Well, it's been about a month and the backhoe's been sitting this long. I figured we'd do a cold start. It's about 30 degrees outside. Seems that a lot of people like seeing this machine, so. Key in. That's a good sign. So this machine does not have glow plugs. It has a preheater, so when I turn the key to a certain way, you'll see that light go on. It's actually called a preheater or a grid heater. Flip that for a second. You see it's not on. I turn it a little bit, it turn on the preheater, and then we'll crank it. Look at that. That easy. It's not too cold, about 30 degrees. But there you go. Sure was. Started right up. So we'll get the snow off her, then move it out a little bit. I gotta fill up that tire right there. I was talking earlier about this tire being flat. I'm gonna put some air in it right now. You can see it's pretty low. Actually, let me pull up a little farther so I can get that nozzle on the ground. Let me do that. Yeah, that's pretty good. We got that down there. Grab our line over here. Now we'll set the camera up. Unfortunately, I don't have one of those attachments that just let you screw it on, so I gotta hold it the whole time to fill it up, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Well, that's about the best it's gonna get right now, so come up here and turn this thing off. You can hear the compressor running. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Hit subscribe to see more content like this. I'm gonna have a ton of more videos working on this machine here. Got a couple little small things to do, a couple major things. So stay tuned for more of this kind of material, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.